Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have another super special unboxing, and this is of a new product from ChoeTech. And of course, we have done several ChoeTech reviews, and this one is another great product, and this is of the USB-C desktop charger with power delivery. And the model number, as you see here, is the PD72-1C3U. Alright guys, so as you can see, this product comes in this box. You do see the blue and white accents. As you can see, it's a 72 watt charger, USB type C. And you can see the product preview right here. And over here it says the product again. And of course it shows with power delivery, which is the main aim of this product, to deliver power to different devices. To resolve any worry about your product, they do give this ready to access information, your 30 days return for any reason, 18 months warranty, and of course you have a lifetime technical support in case you run into issues. And of course you can always pause and read the additional information here, including the contact information. Great that a manufacturer makes it so easy to make your experience a trouble-free one. And of course you can see the box right here, and I'm going to slide this out. So in case you do not know what this is, it's basically a all-in-one charger for your desk, and it will allow you to store your it will allow you to basically throw away the extra chargers, have one universal charger, so to speak, that can deliver power to various devices. All right, so we're just gonna open this up. All right guys, so I've opened up the box. As you can see here, I've just basically cut the seal. Brand new product. And I want to thank the guys over at ChoeTech as usual for sending over products like these for review. And of course, ChoeTech is a great manufacturer. Their products are quite reliable. You can always depend on them. And we have been testing their products for some time now on the channel here. So you'll find several other reviews. This is the brick. And of course, inside of the box here, you'll find the charger. Notice the cabling. It will plug into the adapter brick. This is the cable, and I like that this is extra long, so you can deliver that extra power to this, so you can have this on your desk. And of course I'm gonna go in and you'll see the usual pamphlets. We have the ChoeTech Power to the Best user manual to figure out how to use this, and then of course this is join their social media network as a VIP member. And of course guys, I'm gonna check this out as well. I can actually show you the user manual. You can always pause and read this for yourself. It just shows you to connect everything. You can connect tablets, connect smartphones, just connect this to your outlet. Shows you the input voltage. There's the factor and support and so on, so you can check that out as well. So let's close off. And I think there's that's it for the box. There's nothing else inside of the box. I'm just gonna put the box aside. Alright guys, so we're gonna fit this up, but before we fit it up, let's just check out what's inside of the packaging. So it's inside of this plastic wrap. I'm just breaking the seal right now, brand new. And here you go, and you can check it out guys. Quite nice. You have the ChoeTech, you have the USB, it says certified USB, it says charger 60 watt, and of course you can see the section here that you connect the AC power delivery. Over here you have the 12 watt, you have the USB 1 2 3, and of course here you have the very nice USB-C. And of course I'm gonna scoop this up. Check this out, and there you go, it's plugged in, ready to go. I'm just gonna plug in the other end. All right, so as guys, I have my USB cable right here. As you can see, this is USB type C, and of course this is the USB N. Right here, I'm just gonna plug this in, and you can check it out for yourselves. So it goes right in. Now do note, while this is in, that there's no LED indicator. All right, so as you can see, it's plugged in. There's no LEDs or so on, but of course notice that everything is hooked up. Now I'm just gonna get my additional smartphone, so let me just get that. And here I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 as usual, and here is the USB charger. It's USB type C. Let's check out the device itself, and we're just gonna plug this in. There you go, wonderful. And now we're gonna see at what level it's charging. So as you can see here, it says charging at the top. You can see the lightning indicator. So right away, guys, you can see here it's charging. So let's see at what level it's charging. And it does say here cable charging, 42 minutes until fully charged. So we're not actually getting fast charging, but it's delivering a decent power delivery. So let me just go ahead and check some more stuff. Alright, so as we're saying, guys, everything is connected, and of course you can see it does say cable charging. It doesn't say fast charging, however, but of course we're going to check out all the ports just to make sure to see if it will be the same across all ports. So I'm going to unplug this and then connect it to somewhere else. So as you can see again, we're connected. So let's just go ahead again, and that would be the 12 volts. So we're going to connect here at the top port. So I shouldn't think there's gonna be a change, but let's just double check. It does say cable charging again, 38 minutes. So all ports are the same on the lower end. And of course I could also try a USB-C type adapter. So if I can find one, I'll actually do that right now. Alright guys, so overall I just want to say that not bad. ChoeTech has done a great job. Just a few pointers. Let me just disconnect this. It would be nice if this had been fast charging, but you do get standard charging. So that's something to bear in mind while you do check out this product or consider it. The power delivery is okay. You do end up with this standard outlet here and its own connection that connects to the wall outlet, which is nice. The cable is not too short. Here we have the area around here. The 12 watts delivered by all three USB is nice. That means that this could replace 3 different chargers. So it's charging standard Android devices, tablets, or so on. Of course, it doesn't support fast charging as far as I can tell. I haven't gotten a female to female 60 watt charger to test just yet. So this might just deliver the rest of the power. But of course, I'm just going to check out to make sure that if I could actually get one of these cables, that would be very nice. Yes, so as you can see right here, you can read the specifications of the base. The housing does feel solid, so you can expect some amount of solid performance. It's not too heavy. It's about around the feel of a decent or just above the weight of a decent charger. Nice ChoeTech logo, USB works and so on, documentation, and of course nice selection of ports, plain housing as seen here, and a nice power delivery with a nice cable. So overall I would say if you're in the market for a all-in-one adapter that or charger that can replace 3 standard chargers, I would advise that you check out this ChoeTech 72 watt USB-C desktop charger with power delivery. It can be a convenient option to get rid of all those extra bulky chargers. Alright guys, Ricardo Connor from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.